Hello everyone, and today we're talking about the environment, part 2. So, in the last video, we have talked about carbon emissions, and today we'll continue. Global warming is something that you'll talk a lot. It is an increase in average temperature around the world, which most scientists believe is the result of carbon emission.
Global warming is a complicated issue. It's also called climate change, and scientists think it can make an increase in extreme weather events like storms, floods, and rising seas.
A natural disaster is an event that causes a lot of damage. Extreme weather event is an event in nature too, like a flood or a fire or cyclone, an earthquake or volcanic eruption.
When we talk about the environment, we talk a lot about effects and causes. Talk about water pollution, that's an effect, and possible a cause is throwing rubbish into the ocean.
If you want to link those into a sentence, we can say throwing rubbish into the oceans cause water pollution. Throwing rubbish into the ocean lead to water pollution, and throwing rubbish into the oceans result in water pollution. Let's take a look at some more environmental cause and effect.
Burning fossil fuels can cause air pollution. Burning fossil fuels can lead to air pollution. Burning fossil fuels can result into air pollution. Land clearing cause habitat loss. Land clearing result in habitat loss. Land clearing leads to habitat loss.
You might have noticed that the sentence start with the cause and link to the effect. But you can also form a sentence by starting with the effect and link back to cause, like this.
Air pollution is caused by burning fossil fuels. Air pollution is a result of burning fossil fuels. Air pollution is due to burning fossil fuels. Air pollution is an effect of burning fossil fuels. Air pollution is evidence of burning fossil fuels.
So that's all from us today. See you and goodbye.
Bye.